Hello, my sweet babies. It is such a beautiful day outside. I thought I would get outside and we would read our book outside today at the park. I'm so glad you decided to join Grandma Faye here at Grandma Faye's house. Let's get to our book. Today's title is Three Little Kittens by Jerry Pinkney. Three little kittens. They got new mittens, and they began to cheer. Oh, mother dear, may we go out to play? Put on your mittens, you sweet little kittens, and you may go and play. Meow, meow, meow. Yes, you may go and play. The three little kittens, they played and played. They spun and leaped and pounced. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens? You careless kittens. Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, the kittens cried, for they would have no pie. Let's find our mittens, then said the kittens. Meow, meow, meow. They might find those mittens so they can get some pie, huh, you think? One little kitten had found her mittens. Purr, purr, purr. Then the second kitten had found his mittens. Purr, purr, purr. The third little kitten then found his mittens. Purr, purr, purr. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What? Found your mittens, you darling kittens? Now you shall have some pie. Meow, meow, meow. You shall have some pie. My sweet babies, it's nice to read outside for the fresh air and the sound of nature, the birds chirping and things, but sometimes we get extra noise like that airplane that just went by. I'm sorry about that. Well, look at that pie. Yummy. It looks like blueberry pie to me. Purr, purr, purr. They soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, look here, look here. We fear we've made a mess. You silly kittens, you're wearing your mittens. Their mother began to sigh. Meow, meow, meow. They all began to sigh. The three little kittens, they washed their mittens. And hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have washed. What? Washed your mittens? My good little kittens. Meow, meow, meow. The three little kittens put on clean mittens, and they began to cheer. Oh, mother dear, may we go out to play? The end. My sweet babies, I hope you enjoyed today's book, and I'll see you here tomorrow at Grandma Faye's house. Remember that Grandma Faye loves you, and also remember that you are special. Listen to the birds chirping. You are special because God made you that way. Mwah!